Hi everyone. Today is my topic is about paper airplane hobby. Paper airplane construction is a popular hobby and many ways are possible to build model gliders and airplanes. Traditional use only a sheet of paper while others cut tape and paste their models together. A paper plane is a toy airplane made from papers. The paper is folded in a certain way so that the fold paper actually glides. This is a form of origami, Japanese art of paper folding. Paper planes are used originally for testing real airplanes. This is my secret paper airplanes tutorial book. Step by step instructions to make planes that really fly, from a triplane to a jet fighter. Nick Robinson. Now let's see. This one I am making. This is a classic design paper airplane. Now let's start. For better result, for better performance, use some super glue. Always make elevator. And elevator is a primary flight control surface that controls movement about the lateral axis of an aircraft. Now also learn from mobile app. Hope you guys like my hobby idea. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.